In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gmail delegation. If you want to let someone else help manage your Gmail account without sharing your login details, Gmail delegation is a useful feature. It allows another person to read, send, and organize emails on your behalf, while keeping your account more secure than simply giving out your password. In this walkthrough, I will show you exactly how to turn it on from your computer. To get started, open Gmail on your computer and make sure you are signed in to the account you want to delegate access to. This setup is done from the desktop version of Gmail, so it's best to use a web browser rather than the mobile app. Once Gmail is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the settings gear icon. A quick settings panel will appear. From there, choose See All Settings so you can access the full list of account options. At the top of the settings page, click the Accounts and Import tab. This section includes several options related to how your account sends, receives, and shares email access. Scroll until you find the area labeled Grant Access to Your Account. This is where Gmail lets you add a delegate. Click Add Another Account. In some cases, Gmail may ask you to verify your identity before continuing. If that happens, enter your password to confirm that you are the account owner. This extra verification step helps protect your account and makes sure no one adds access without your permission. After that, a small window will appear asking for the delegate's email address. Enter the email address carefully, since the invitation will be sent to that address exactly as typed. Once you've entered it, click Next Step to continue and send the invitation. At this point, the other person will need to accept the invitation before delegation becomes active. Until they accept it, the setup won't be complete. After the invitation has been accepted, return to the same Accounts and Import section in Gmail. Under Grant Access to Your Account, you should now see the added delegate's email address listed there. That confirms the delegation has been successfully set up. As a final tip, only grant access to someone you trust, since they will be able to work with messages in your inbox on your behalf. Taking a moment to double-check the email address before sending the invite can also help avoid mistakes. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.